I always wanted to build a project. I just never knew what project to actually build. That is until I did some research and I find something that really resonated deep with myself. And after seeing this, I realized just how building an app that can actually solve this particular problem will actually help myself in the process. Because you see, building an app is worth it when you actually fix something that you yourself have a problem with. I didn't realize this until today, and this makes me much more invested in actually fixing this problem. So I decided to build an app to actually solve this problem. And what is this problem, you ask? Well, growing up, I had this very confusing state of what it is that I want to do when I'm finished with school. People came to show us the opportunities that are out there, but it wasn't anything that resonated to myself. And now I am thinking of actually doing something about it, because I believe that if I had the opportunity to really know what it is that I really want to do or what I can do, I would have done this a long time ago. So that's why I decided to build an app that will help to share people's passion and find their opportunities. So this app will be solving a problem of unemployment and lack of career guidance. I'm thinking of building this app, but I'm not quite sure which coding tools or which language I should use to actually build this app and bring it to life. But since I have officially started, that's why I'm documenting this, so that it will be a way of pushing myself to actually finish building a project. Because I have been trying to start projects, but I haven't really pushed myself to actually finish building a project in the past. But this time I really want to do it, not because of financial reasons, but because I feel a sense of importance to this. If I had someone who would show me something like this when I was in high school, I would do anything to actually thank them, you know. So this is why I'm building this, and I'm planning to make it episodes or a playlist to showcase each and every step and progress of building this app. And my vision for this app, I want it to be an application, a mobile application that will help people to input their matric results. This is what I have in my head. This is my vision. I want people to input their matric results, or if you don't have matric, you can input your college results or your university results, and you can select what type of job it is that you wanna, or the type of career path that you wanna go through, and it will give you a proper breakdown of everything that you need to do in order to succeed in that career path. And it will show you example of types of jobs that you actually going to be doing in that career path. And furthermore, it will give you alternatives. Let's say maybe you have to bridge a course in order to qualify for that course subject in university. Let's say maybe you're in matric right now and you want to go to university. You don't really meet the requirements. It will give you alternatives alternative ways in order to reach your destination. This is something I have just in my head right now. It's not the final presentation, but it's just something I'm thinking of